Hi Meshy creators! Today we'll show you how to create stunning toon shading in Blender. First, head over to Meshy Image Workspace. Type in your prompt, generate your favorite concept art, and hit Image to 3D to generate your mesh. Next, generate your texture. Make sure to select 8K for ultra-high resolution details. Once ready, download the model and bring it into Blender. In Blender's shader editor, delete the default principled BSDF. Add a diffuse BSDF connected to shader to RGB, then run it into a color ramp. Connect everything to an emission node. Combine this with your original 8K texture using a mix node set to multiply with the factor at 1.0. Slide the ColorRamp handles to define your light and shadow boundaries. Thanks to the native 8K texture, your toon shader looks vibrant and razor sharp. Try it out today on Meshy and create your own anime style in minutes.